Hey, this is Madison with the Sensory Path. Let's install the Into the Woods hop. Before starting, I swept and mopped the floor. A clean surface helps the image stick properly. First, I'm going to cut each piece individually. This helps with positioning and layout. To begin, I'll lay out and install the tree trunk first. Next, I'll apply 2 pieces of tape to both sides of the trunk to hold it in place. Then I'll peel back a section to expose the backing and trim that portion away. Once the backing is removed, I'll press the exposed part of the trunk firmly onto the floor. At this point, I can remove the tape and lift the trunk to peel a section of the backing. In my left hand, I'll hold the backing, and in my right hand, I'll use my squeegee in a smooth wave-like motion to press part of the image down. I'll use the same method to apply the remaining images, working section by section for a smooth and secure finish. For the possum, I'll apply the top portion first, then flip the image over and carefully remove all of the backing. This allows me to not accidentally tear any of his limbs off. The extra pieces that come with the tree can be applied anywhere to the path. We call them sprinkles because they make everything look better. Thanks for watching!